hold the plane right here and just make a kick throw at 10 to 35 degrees. Note that this is not a long distance plane. It's just designed for the awesomeness. See, it's flying pretty good. So let me throw it again this way. Ooh. Let's put the plane up. And I will scare the squirrel. The squirrel is right there. He's looking at me. Where's the squirrel? Here it is. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is not a new design. I created the plane years ago, but today I'm going to show you guys how to make it. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you don't have US letter size paper, very easy. Use A4 paper. It should work as well. Now, the first step, let's flatten the paper down. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. When you fold the paper in half, fold carefully. Okay, make sure that all edges are lined up. Very simple. Okay, so let's fix it. If it's not lined up, you can fix it. On the following step, unfold the paper. Start from the upper edge for it to this side. And then repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So start from the upper edge again for it to the opposite side. Press down the paper. Okay. And flatten it out. Flip the paper over. You see the intersection here. Start from the upper part, foot down. Here we go. So that is what we have. Flip the paper over. Start from this crease. Fold both sides of the crease to the center crease. Start from the upper part. Fold the upper part down. Rest out the paper. You can adjust the paper from both sides. Here we go. So it's look pretty cool. Next step, I will start from this layer for to a side, and I'll start from the upper layer and make a straight fold to this corner. Okay. Rest the paper down. Adjust it if it doesn't go to the corner. My point here is to fold straight to the corner, but if you miss it a little bit, that's okay. Let's repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let's do it. Force a little bit more so it's even. Here we go. That's look fine. On the following step, let's start from this point for straight to the center. So for to the crease that you just made. Press down the paper. And then repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now press down the paper. Adjust it a little bit. Press it down. That's fine. Okay. On the following step, let's fold this part of the paper toward the center. You see this crease? You see the central here? Fold straight to the central crease. Okay, then you repeat the same fold here. First to the center. Okay, now this is what we have. And I press this piece of paper down, the upper layer here down. Okay, now I can hold the paper up, press it out, adjust it. On the following step, I'm going to fold this part of the paper up like this. Leave a small gap between this edge and the center crease. So just press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for this side. So I place the paper like this. Hope you can see it clearly. Fold up. Press the paper down. Press this down. Okay, so this is what we have. And now I fold this layer toward this side. And I'm going to make sure that this crease right here will be parallel with this edge. So this is very important that it's parallel with the edge. Okay, this will be like this. And I'm going to fold the same thing for the other side, the same way. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let me hold the paper like this so you can see it. So just first slowly. Here we go. Now I fold the whole part of this layer up. And you can see this edge right here, I matches to the center crease. So I will do it slowly. And I'm going to adjust this part of the paper to create a wing. See that? Now I finished one wing of the blend for to assign. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay. Match this edge to the center crease. I will just do it slowly, and then I'll pull this part of the paper up, adjust this part of the paper so to create a second wing. I can pull it up a little bit. There we go. If it's not look good, I will adjust it. Here we go. So this is what I have. I have the wings. Now I'm going to fold the paper in half to create the body of the paper plane. So I fold the paper in half, and I have this edge. I match it to the edge below here to create a wing. Okay. The paper is a little bit thick, so I have to curl the paper first. Okay. And I'll match this upper part first. That's important that you start from the top here first. Do not fold straight to the bottom, okay? Now when I fold to the bottom, you see this part of the paper pop out. That is what I want. Here we go. So I finished one side of the blend. I'm going to create the same fold for the other side. So I'll curve the paper. And I will expect this part of the paper pop out. For this, push it a little bit more. Nice pop out. Cool. Okay, rest the paper down, and this is what you should have. The blend. Oh wow, you can see this part of the blend is just hanging there. This is not what I want. The point is to create the stabilizer. So I fold this part of the paper up. You see this edge, I will use this as a reference to fold the stabilizer. Press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for this side. I press this down. Now I have cool stabilizer, cool blend. Have the wings on the top, stabilizer on here. I can adjust it a little bit if I don't want it to look that way. Okay, here we go. Now I can fold up. Here you go guys, so this is a paper airplane that I want to show you how to make today. This looks really cool, right? Next step, I'm going to adjust the end of the wings up. This is just a trick to do it. Okay, so just fold this part of the paper up just a little bit. Make sure that we have the elevator. Same thing for this side. Okay, fold up just a little bit. To ensure that the plane will fly up. Then you can flatten it out. And here you go, guys. This is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Bye bye.